As this year begins, we have a chance to show the world we can excel. As this year begins, we have a chance to show the world we can excel. We can double down and be the best we can be. Let's ring in this new year with a new you, a new brand, and a vision. We know that people's lives need vision, so let's create that encouraging vision. God will give you the knowledge to complete it. In this exhilarating new year, let the power of vision guide you towards becoming the best you that you can be. You are not just a participant, rather, you are the enthusiastic cheerleader, rallying behind your goals and dreams. As the fresh year unfolds before us, we are presented with a unique opportunity to showcase our true potential to the world. It is time to embrace this chance and double down on our efforts to relentlessly pursue excellence. With open arms, let us welcome this new year with unwavering determination to transform ourselves. Let us embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. It is time to forge a new brand for ourselves, one that showcases our deepest desires and aspirations. We understand how crucial it is to have a well-defined vision in our lives, for it provides the necessary guidance and encouragement to embark on a journey of success. If you believe in the power of divine intervention, trust that God will grant you the wisdom and knowledge necessary to overcome every hurdle and complete the journey towards realizing your dreams. In Hosea 4:6 of the King James Version, it is written, "My people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. Because thou hast rejected knowledge, I will aid." This verse reminds us of the grave consequences that can arise from neglecting the importance of knowledge. We must not fall victim to the destructive outcomes that result from a lack of awareness and understanding. So, let this be the year you break free from the limitations of the past. It is time to convincingly declare to the world that you are poised for greatness. Harness the power of your vision to paint a vivid picture of the magnificent future that awaits you. This year, you have all the tools and resources at your disposal.